We're a family firm. We've been established for 35 years. We do a lot of commercial buildings, house building, hydroelectric schemes. This is a site for Morris Properties. This is a retail outlet site. We are using the mini excavator to find all the surfaces before we dig with the bigger machine. The mini digger is ideal for working in confined spaces. It's quick and easy. And we find the new -6s very economical, excellent visibility all around the machine. We've had no problems with them whatsoever.